The natural habitat of the African Grey Parrot. There are several types of African Grey Parrots. The smaller is the tag, or Timney African Grey, which has a very dark gray body, a tail that ranges in hues from maroon to black, and a horn-colored beak. Then the CAG, Congo African Grey, which is actually more populous around a span of African regions, including Tanzania and the southeastern Ivory Coast and Kenya. The Timneys are found along the western coast of the Ivory Coast regions and in parts of southern Guinea. The African Grey Parrots are commonly found residing in near forest woodlands and clearings, savannas and coastal mangroves all around Central and West African regions.